Hello everyone! Today I'm showing you how to make classic Eggs Benedict, a delicious breakfast dish that's rich, creamy, and perfect for special mornings. Ingredients: 2 English muffins, split in half, 4 slices beef or chicken bacon, 4 eggs, 1 tablespoon white vinegar. For the Hollandaise sauce, 3 egg yolks, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tier 2 cup melted butter, salt, and black pepper to taste. First, make the Hollandaise sauce. In a heat-proof bowl, whisk together the egg yolks and lemon juice. Place the bowl over simmering water and whisk continuously. Slowly add the melted butter while whisking until the sauce becomes thick and creamy. Season with salt and pepper, then set aside. Next, toast the English muffin halves until golden brown. In a skillet, cook the chicken and beef bacon for 2 to 3 minutes per side until heated through. Bring a pot of water to a gentle simmer and add the vinegar. Crack each egg into a small bowl, then carefully slide it into the water. Poach the eggs for 3 to 4 minutes until the whites are set but the yolks remain soft. To assemble, place the toasted muffin halves on serving plates. Top each half with a slice of bacon, then add a poached egg. Spoon the warm Hollandaise sauce generously over the eggs. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade Eggs Benedict.